2 days we've been doing this UK fog light upgrade for the back, and let's show you.
Yep, we put it all on for UK specs. If the DeLorean ever did possibly come with fog lights from the factory to meet OMT standards and safety regulations, well, DeLoreanGo has a kit, and we implemented it into our car, didn't we, Seth?
Yep.
Now we're going to show you how it works. Okay. Now, Seth, it only works when you have, just like on a new car, like a Mercedes or a Volvo, or I think even Saabs. So they only are activated when the headlights are on. So your full headlights are on.
Everything's on.
Okay, now go ahead and turn the headlights on. Okay, headlights are on. Now, if you walk back to the car, you will see everything looks normal. Now, Seth, go ahead and just hit the brakes. And you can see all the brake lights, everything functions just like a totally stock DeLorean. All right, Seth, release the brakes. Now turn on the fog lights. Now, as you can see, it now makes the inside brake lights light up. And you still have your outside brake lights. Go ahead and hit it, Seth. See? Everything still works. Now turn the fog lights off. Now hit the brakes again. And everything goes right back to normal. But they tell you in the kit, they give you this switch to let you know that it's on. But we bought the DeLorean on-off switches. And I had Ryan Foster hook me up with some custom-made fog light logos. So what we did is put them on the switches to make them look stock. So now, when you turn the rear fog lights on the binnacle, as you can see, a rear fog light indicator comes on. There's another one next to it for the front. That's going to be another project, as you can see.
Yeah, right there.
And as you can see, everything is facing the exact way, just like on what a new car would have. And everything just works like your newer car. Shut it off, Seth. Okay. And as you see, they're off. Go ahead and hit it again. And I wanted to do this to kind of give the DeLorean a little bit more of a custom look, a slightly updated look for how you see it on newer cars, where the fog light logos are right there on your gauges. That was not a fun job to do, and I definitely suggest, I actually rate that even worse to do than my lighted rear bumper upgrade. So, yeah. But anyway, this is the rear fog light UK upgrade. And show you one more time. Here it is. I'll shut some of the garage lights off. As you can see how nice and bright they are. Now shut them off, Seth. Everything's all normal. Hit the brakes. Okay. Let off the brakes. Rear fog lights. Now shut all the lights off. And just like I said, everything operates all by your low beams. But that is our video, and we hope you liked it. Bye.